Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Yassine and today we are going to be looking at the refrigerator Ultraman. And here is the Ultraman. It's a safe if you want to keep your money in something, and you need to write a code on here so no one can take your money. But today I have put in something to show you, and I'm going to show you it. If you like and subscribe right now and click the bell too, of course. And I'm going to show you the code, but I will not let you see the code. I'm going to click off the video and I'm going to open for you the code because you can't see my code because it's a safe, and I'm going to do it now. Wait a second, guys. Okay guys, I opened it for you. I did the code, but you guys can't see it. You guys can't see it. Okay, have hidden something inside, so I'm going to show it to you guys now. Okay, I have put in it this little figurine. It looks really cool. Oh, there's a note too. Okay, let's see what is the note saying. Okay guys, the note says, don't forget to like and subscribe. Yes guys, don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video, and click the bell too, of course. Bye.